Welcome to Playwright Automation Online Training. This program is designed to equip you with essential skills for modern web automation. You can find more information and contact details at the bottom of this video. This Playwright Automation training helps learners master modern web automation. The course covers browser automation, test scripting, cross-browser and API testing, and framework development. You'll gain hands-on experience to build reliable test automation solutions and enhance testing efficiency. Why choose this training? It offers hands-on experience in browser automation, cross-browser testing, and API validation. You will learn modern techniques, gain experience with real-time projects, and build scalable automation frameworks, enhancing your QA career opportunities. Key features include comprehensive learning through practical sessions and expert guidance. You will cover automation, framework development, projects, and receive an industry-recognized certification after successful completion of the training. The benefits of this training include boosting your automation testing career and developing practical Playwright testing expertise quickly. It also significantly improves productivity by reducing testing time and increasing efficiency. The training prepares you for various job roles. As a tester, you'll create and execute automated tests. As an engineer, you'll build automation frameworks. As an analyst, you'll validate application quality through test automation. In conclusion, Playwright Automation training provides comprehensive knowledge and builds strong automation skills through hands-on exercises. This prepares you for career growth in automation testing and opportunities in leading technology-driven organizations. Thank you for your attention to this video. For more information, please visit our website or reach out via the contact details provided.